I just want money that's calm. Teenage never worry about
Black
acting.
keyboard,
Nah, I ain't never been with a baddie. She calm, so I added to the tally. Madison button calling her
USB
Maddie.
to type C
Like
for
Natch
wired
send me
use.
the addy. What's a right, then a left at the alley.
I've gotten this as a second-hand keyboard for about 40 SGD. One of the best deals I could find. Oh wow. Oh okay. So it's been turned on already. It actually feels quite. It has a certain weight to it. Doesn't feel very light. Okay. So over here you can see the switch to turn it on and off. Hope you can see. But let me put this box aside. Oh wow. Man, it feels good. It actually feels good. There's some weight to it. Wow. And it's not an easy keyboard to shift. Like, I could shift my entire table, but you know, the keyboard doesn't move much. Right, it sticks pretty well onto the table alone. Feels solid, feels great. The lighting is a bit weird, as you can see. It's a little bit dusty, so I have to clean it up later on. The seller told me that he actually arranged the lighting according to what he liked. Ours is in green color. How do I adjust? So function, control lighting. Yeah, so here is how you control the light. Actually, looking at it now, it's actually pretty dim. Right, I thought it would be a lot brighter. Or maybe I can adjust the brightness. Let me try. Brightness right here. Okay, so I think this is max brightness, and to change the lighting, it's still pretty dim. It can still be seen. It's not that it's very bad. On camera, actually it looks better, I feel. It feels pretty good. Before we continue, let's remove one switch and double confirm that it's actually red switch. Alright, so keycap puller. This is the first time I ever use it. I suppose you just press it down. Ah, there you go. Alright, it's a linear switch. Yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. I'm not sure whether you scratch the keycaps with this. I feel like this is not really a good keycap puller. I've seen the ones that people use, it was metal. Alright, so alright, so you can see there's a lot of lighting settings right here. Pretty cool, I would say. Oh, is this the one where you click? Okay, something else, okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, and just one color. Okay, is this to change the color? Yeah. So we can actually keep it to a single color, which is actually pretty neat. It really looks a lot better on camera. Overall, I would say the feel is actually good. I'm not like a typer or whatnot, so you know. Yeah, overall, I think I like the feeling. It's a very solid feeling. Since we are at this, why don't I just apply this stands? Okay, so yeah, it looks like they are magnetic. Alright, I'll just try to apply it to the back here. I'm not even sure which way is right. Does it really matter? Come on, they're just stands. Anyway, yeah, you can extend the height of the keyboard. Right, just by a bit. Alright, here is also colored red. I do not know why. I don't know whether can I remove this. I don't really like the red color here. Yeah. Alright, I guess the lighting is really kind of the fun part about it. You can just change so many lighting settings on its own. Alright, and whatever not. I'm not sure what does the other keys do. I know this helps me connect into Bluetooth. Alright, so let me try to connect it into Bluetooth right now. Alright, and at the same time, let me try to use a wired keyboard. So let me switch screens right here. Alright, so the wire is actually really long. Right, and I'll be connecting it into my PC, and I'll connect using Bluetooth on here. Alright, so right now what I'll try to do is to connect this keyboard to two of my PCs. I currently have a dual PC setup. The issue is always, having to use two different set of mouse and two different set of keyboards. So currently I'm trying to see whether I can do it with one. Alright, I've already solved the mouse one if you haven't watched the video. So right now I'm trying to solve the keyboard problem. Alright, I already connected the keyboard using the wire USB cable. Okay, add Bluetooth. To turn on Bluetooth for this keyboard, if I'm not wrong, I have to press the FN key and this P button over here, alright, which actually has the Bluetooth sign. Alright, so I think I have to hold it down until you start blinking. Alright, it should be pairing right now, anytime soon. Alright, great. Connecting. Alright, RK Bluetooth keyboard connected. Let's try to test it with Notepad. Wow, feels a little weird typing under this. Alright, great, it works. Okay, now I'll try to see how am I supposed to type onto the other keyboard. So I need to figure out how do I switch over, and I will probably have to just click the same button and switch over right now. Yeah, it switched pretty quickly. Okay, now I can type over here. So I'll just type Notepad right here. Let me try to increase the font size. Alright, so I'm not going to do a test right now. Okay, I'm going to try to switch here, back and forth as quickly as possible and see how it goes. Testing 1, 2, 3. Now we'll switch. Testing 1, 2, 3. I don't know what I'm typing there. Switch back. Okay, now it's currently going. Okay, so that took about 3 seconds, 5 seconds around there for me to actually switch over. Alright, at least the switching works. I'll say switch back here is really quickly. The switch back here, it takes some time. It takes some time to switch back here. Okay, so this keyboard, okay, actually can connect to 5 different Bluetooth devices right here. Yeah, I think there are 5 different profiles. Alright, it can easily switch back and forth pretty quickly. But the issue is that this PC right here doesn't have Bluetooth. So I'm connected using wire, and this is connected using Bluetooth, and that's why I need to switch between Bluetooth and wire. That's pretty much it. Okay, I'm actually pretty happy that it works. Alright, the wait time is not too long. I'm really glad to have this RK71 keyboard. The feel is really great. I still had to use it for a while. The form factor and size, it's not something I'm used to it at all. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.